mover once and for all. Immediately the inauguration, when they say they swear in the new President Bola Tinubu, he make a statement when he say, the statement, some unscrupulous Nigerians, most in particular in the sector where be the marketers, they can't pick the word, hold on to the word, say now the word come make them hot fuel. Why majority of Nigerians come they talk say, the word when he say our president talk say, fuel subsidy is no more. During the inauguration speech, say it come make them fear, say, wow, this no more, they don't understand whether now immediately or now later. That one can bring about panic buying. They can start to the rush. Once upon a time again, we get long queues for filling station, but right now, the long queues, they don't come back. We want to know how they feel them, because the last 2 days, not be small. If you reach every park, the crowd, mammoth, people, they waste time because of say they not get fuel. And we go filling stations, not be small, both fight. So we want to know how you take them. But before we go start to take your calls to hear how it be for your area and how much that they sell them for the place where you manage go see for say you want to buy. Before we go start to open our phone line to take all those ones, we get to report where we say we don't arrange so that you go see before you start to call us. But we'll go check our eye for the report.
Based on the first subsidy removal, where our new president be announced on inauguration day, Wazobia Max TV don't carry worker enter streets, make we see what's in the shell to even ask some Nigerians as them feel about the subsidy removal and as it take affect them.
For me, as a citizen, it's too early to discuss this. Just barely how many hours we are facing this. It's not supposed to be so. This thing is supposed to wait a bit, not no. It's affecting everybody. Traffic, transportation, everybody's on the road, stranded.
I'm not gonna lie you, everywhere hard. As I did like this, I did go through a lot, and a lot they go through me. I stay waka go, Ikorodu go beggar, and I they stay for some go, I won't draw my beg.
Actually, Nigerians, we are in pains. We have been here since past 7 or so, and unfortunately, I've not been able to get fuel. So though they are selling 185, but it's something else.
People said it would be better as time goes on, but it's very worrisome. Standing like this on a fuel station a whole day without seeing a fuel to buy is a problem.
I didn't know it will actually started affecting this way.
I said we don't like it. Generally, we don't like it. At least as they swear him in that of yesterday, he's supposed to allow 2-3 months. Are you getting me? For him to sit and now come up with this. That was the problem we are having now, because immediately I know the marketers, they are already waiting. As immediately he said it that yesterday, they now took off.
What's in the situation so far and how much you don't do for this queue?
I don't do here since 9.
I don't pass 6 hours. In fact, I don't pass 3 to 4 hours here.
Well, every like me and everybody, we've been here since 6 a.m. We queue from the express round to this place.
Been here for like 5 to 6 hours now. And not even this one. I've been going to other filling stations. Some of them are not even selling at all.
I've been here since exactly 7 hours, 15 minutes now. Yeah, it's right from the express over there. And I think the problem is people cheat. That's why. If everybody just goes one at a time, it will move.
Since 3 a.m. I left my house 2:30. I drove to this place 3 in the morning. So up till now, I've not been able to get fuel. You can imagine.
Look at the queue. I've been here since 11 o'clock. And just by the beginning of the filling station there, up to this point, I've not gotten to anywhere. So I don't know when I will get my fuel and get out of this place.
Look at me. My daughter is going to close in the next 30 minutes. Well, I'm stuck here and I can't even turn back. I can't do anything. It's almost finished. My fuel is almost finished. I'm sweating. Can't turn on the AC.
We are Nigerian. We are not from other country. They should take things easy on citizens. We are suffering.
I can't say it really affects me much because I know that the darkest of the night is closer to the day. So even if another person emerges as a winner, they will surely remove the subsidy. So I believe that with time we will get over all these things.
right, I believe say you don't see comments will come out of the streets where some Nigerians